Welcome to How to Make Money Online channel. Today I will teach you and show you how to make money online by watching video for 30 seconds. I'm going to teach you how to make money from this app by watching video only. Firstly, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to show you how to earn money by just watching video from up. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell, like, comment and share. Step 1. Open your Chrome. Step 2. Search for paid work. Step 2. Search for paid work. Step 2. Search for paid work. Step 3. Click on paidwork.com. Step 4. Register on this site. Step 5. Confirm your email. Step 6. Go to Play Store and open it. Step 7. Search for paid work. Search for paid work. Step 8. Install the app. Step 9. Open the app. Step 10. Sign in into the app. This is my earnings so far. This is my earnings so far. Open the dashboard. This is where I will withdraw my earning once I reach the threshold of $10. Step 11. Click on Earn. You can earn by doing any of this task. You can earn by playing games. You can earn by playing games. Can you see? If you play the first game you are going to earn 975 coin equal to $9. That's very fantastic. Another one is by filling survey. You are going to get paid for filling survey. You are going to get paid for filling survey. Confirm you're not a robot. Continue filling out the survey. Step 12. Click on Watch Video. This is where you are going to earn by just watching video for 30 seconds. Click on Start Watching. Wait for the seconds to count down. Watching. Wait for the seconds to count down. Yes, my earning has increased. Now let's see. Can you see it has increased? You can earn as much as you want. You are going to be able to withdraw your earning once you reach the threshold. This is how you can make money by watching video online. Can just watch video online, then you will make money from it. Subscribe to this channel to bring more videos to you on how to make money online.